Bro, my room. And then the one right after is my dad's room, and then the one right after that is my dad's bathroom. But the bathroom looks the exact same. The only thing that's different is he changed the sink. The sink's bigger now. But the
yeah, you wanna look at my house.
Okay, wait. Rubik's, stay on mine.
Oh my god, I already accidentally.
The bathroom that's green.
Hold on. Let me go back to your house.
I got 49 on cognition.
What?
What the fuck? I'm not even joking. What? Yo.